o'clock in the morning. And I'm trying to do my first makeup tutorial because I don't know how to do the makeup. And y'all see this face? This face is not ready for the camera. So, oh crap, I have my brushes. So today we're just doing a plain face because I don't know how to do all that extra stuff. So we're gonna do a very plain face. This, I got a whole pack of brushes. If y'all see my Amazon unpacking with me, y'all would know. Like, I got a whole pack of brushes. This is the only brush I know. And I'm mad because the first time I ordered it, it was, I got CoverGirl. Please don't mind my radiation. I wasn't trying to go to all beauty. But, I got CoverGirl because when I went to prom with my husband, way back in like 2017, his mom did my makeup for prom, and she used CoverGirl. So that's the only thing I know is CoverGirl. Not that she used MAYLANI. Oh, she used CoverGirl. I used MAYLANI, whatever. But I just know when I go to CoverGirl, I don't know how to open it. Oh, you got this too. I got my thing everywhere. See what I mean when I say I can't do makeup? Well, you go my stuff. But y'all tell me if I should have did this in like the bathroom. Only because I didn't hear because I got the natural light and then I got the ring light. Everybody be like, oh, you use the ring light, it's better because something about you would know if it's 2K on or not. And also, like when you take pictures, you would know. I don't know. I got a bride thing, a eyebrow thing. All my stuff I got from Rite Aid because I work at Rite Aid on the weekends. So. I've been looking at stuff for a minute and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a video. I just, I'm sorry. I usually just brush my eyebrows up. Just brush them up, brush them up, brush them up. I do that on both sides. Now me, I am not a pro with my eyebrows. But my mom, all she do is foundation and eyebrows. So she's on her eyebrows for like a long time. I don't know if I watched this and cuts me out. Like, I don't know my eyebrows that much. Okay, girl. Yeah, she did the same. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna use it. This is how I use it. Please don't judge me because it's my first time doing makeup. And hopefully I get better. Now I didn't watch no videos on this because I didn't want to not do it. I mean, I wanted to do like an honest first video. So usually a lot of right here. Lines. I don't like it. Now I gotta wash my face. A habit of like leaning forward. I never was just bad at eyebrows. Just bad. I don't know what's wrong with me today. And I think I pressed too hard with those things. I bet you this eyebrow is better. I don't know what I'm doing, so if you're watching this, don't laugh at me. I'm darker than eyebrow. You're not laughing at me. You're so funny. Yeah, this one darker. I'm not gonna wipe this shit off and start over. I really wish I could make my face. I feel like my front to be up. What makes your face look up? I'm going to come back with this. Low of I don't know what I'm doing. What I'm doing with a person, that would be me. I just know I like my front to be up. That's it. Everything else, I really don't care about. You guys see the difference? Don't look the same like this. Like this. Look the same, right? Don't look like that. I might mess it up with this damn content. But I don't know how to use it. I just know you're supposed to use it to clean up your eyebrows. And I like when everybody uses it. Okay. I know you're supposed to use like a very small. Oh, it did come with instructions. Look, they just small. Okay, so the brush I use is for perfect blush and blonder. I don't use it. Brush 2 is to flat angles and stuff. I don't know. Well, let's find an eyebrow brush, okay? Number 16. I need conceal your brush is big. No, I don't need that one. That one's too big. I think I need 12, but they say 12 is like an angle brush. So there's 12. Oh. I'm looking for a brush and there's one on here. Why nobody told me? looked everywhere for lash glue yesterday, and it comes with it. Now me, I always wanted my lashes, not always, because when I was younger I had nice long lashes. But now I want my lashes done because my, what's that thing called? I don't got no lashes. Y'all see? No lashes. Look perfect. I'm gonna do my right side, please. I'm gonna use my lash. I'm gonna use my glue dot book. Cause this looks like super glue. Y'all see that? That looks like super glue. So I gotta find my bag. I'll be right back. So please tell me if this is good or not. Okay. It said wait 30 seconds while I apply. To do lashes. And she was like, I think you should learn how to do lashes because there's a lot of people that come in here when she's not there because she had 2 jobs. When she's not there, I think it was when she's not there and they always extra lashes. Like people used to come in the salon all the time, like hair salon, and act like, do y'all do lashes? Do y'all do lashes? And my job, my first salon was on Germantown Strip, so it was normal to them, I guess. The level of, I think this is too much. But it was normal. I was like, what the hell? So she told me that I should know how to do lashes. Now just because I did it on other people don't mean I know how to do it on myself. I had bought a whole not lash kit, but I bought this thing from the corner store and stuff. And I tried it on my sisters. Now how do y'all apply lashes? Like do y'all touch something? Do y'all close your eyes? Hold on, this one I be open, this one I be open. Nope, not gonna work. So I'm just gonna try to do this while I'll get it on myself. Okay, this is not working. Oh shit. Where the baby wipe? That I'm mad at. And this is like a 40-minute video. This for y'all to see me fail. I'm sorry. But come back again when I freaking learn how to do my lashes. And if y'all got any tips, please comment down below. Please. Because I'm begging. Alright. Bye. Love ya.